Hello and welcome everyone to another AccessOS technical update session. AccessOS is our operating system that powers Access network devices. The latest generation of our operating system, AccessOS 12, has just been released, introducing highly anticipated breaking changes. Breaking changes can require adaptation from the system that the Access device is working together with, which is the reason for choosing today's topic. Let's get started. My name is Benjamin and I'm with the AccessOS product management team. Today I will talk about AccessOS upgrade recommendations, troubleshooting of upgrade issues, and I will demo software rollback, the AccessOS feature that helps if things don't work out. Maintaining an upgrade strategy ensures that your Access product receives continuous improvements, including bug fixes and security patches. Whenever upgrading an Access device, it is recommended to avoid bigger jumps, but always go through each major LTS track whenever available. In this example, jumping from 9.80 LTS to 10.12 LTS, and from there to the latest AccessOS 11 release is the recommended upgrade path. And keep in mind that switching to a newer software track may include new features, changes to default settings, and performance adjustments that could affect compatibility with your system. A great example is the recent AccessOS 12 release, introducing breaking changes to some of the functionality. Devices should therefore be updated in a controlled and supervised manner after verification that the new software track works as expected in your environment. For more detailed information and other update path examples, please have a look in our AccessOS portal on access.com. So what can a user do in case a software upgrade is causing issues? Starting with AccessOS 7.40, which was released back in 2017, support for software rollback was added. Software rollback allows customers to restore the system functionality in case of any issues after a software upgrade. During a software upgrade, a snapshot, including the entire configuration, is created, which can act as a failsafe and restore point in case of an update introduced issues such as bugs or compatibility problems. Software rollback can also be automated so that the Access device will restore the previous state automatically unless an operator has confirmed the software update within the configured time. And here's an actual example use case of the software rollback feature. In this setup, we have an Access device running AccessOS 11.11 LTS with an ACAP installed that requires root privileged access to be able to run on the Access device. The setup is working without any issues on AccessOS 11.11 LTS, and we will now perform an upgrade to AccessOS 12.0. After upgrading to AccessOS 12.0, which introduces some breaking changes, it seems that the ACAP cannot be started anymore, as root privileged access for ACAP applications has been removed, and ACAPs that require root privileges will not work with AccessOS 12.0 or higher. Therefore, after verifying system functionality being degraded due to the ACAP not being able to start, we perform a software rollback and restore the system functionality. And here are some additional takeaways to consider when doing an AccessOS software upgrade. Verify the system functionality on a single device or reference testing pool before upgrading a whole installation. Do not factory default the device when an issue has been discovered. This will remove the restore point created during the software upgrade process. In the event of an issue after upgrading, perform a software rollback and start troubleshooting on a single device together with Access technical support. Batch upgrade many devices during specific maintenance windows and only after ensuring system compatibility to video management systems and orders is confirmed. And that's it for today's topic. I hope you've enjoyed this session and feel ready for AccessOS 12 and more updates in the future. Thanks a lot for joining in, and keep an eye on more videos being published in our AccessOS playlist on YouTube.